Hi, this is Dave Anderson, and welcome back to my channel, Helicool's Helipad. Today I will be doing a review of the Victure 4K mini camera. This is competing with the GoPro cameras, and it's one of the up-and-comers on the market today. And at the very end, stay tuned, I'll be also reviewing this selfie stick made by Wizron or Wizroom, or however you want to pronounce it. And anyway, so stay tuned. And without further ado, I'm going to show you how to save a little bit of money. And speaking of being in my price range, I just got this Victure 4K Wi-Fi Ultra HD. I think that for the price, this has probably got to be the best value on the market right now. Of course, as you know, the market changes so rapidly. But comes with a waterproof camera, or waterproof box rather, to put the camera in, and it comes with, of course, the instructions and whatnot. But an entire box full of implements that you can put on the helmet cam, that you can do all kind of stuff with. Now, these are all the items that come with the Victure. Has another lens cover type, a couple of straps, just a myriad of different points where you can attach your camera to, different styles of clips, the handlebar, sticky, extra stickies, double batteries, lithium, the double charger, cable. I mean, it's all of this stuff. It's, to me, this is just a heck of a decent value. And I definitely recommend this. I haven't even used it yet, and I'm already wanting to recommend it. I have heard that see people go bombing around and break these on their bikes and whatnot. But I think if you're gentle with it, like any other electronics should be used gently, you probably won't break it, and it should last quite a long time. This plastic does look like it's beefier, hard plastic. It isn't some kind of wimpy stuff. So treat it right and last a long time. So this is a test. Let's see if I got, yeah, all the tires have air in it. Tires are a little flat. That doesn't mean I can't go with the bike. And back again. I'm going to show you a couple of little features here so it's still in focus. I'm going to hold it about this far away. So all I did was power it on, and you do that by the front button here. And now all I have to do is touch the button. Just tap it. Video start. Whoops, hit the wrong. I hit the button up top here, sorry. Video stop. So it does have voice activated kind of stuff. So if you have this on your helmet cam, it'll tell you, and you can turn that on and off too, but it'll tell you if it's recording so that you actually know instead of you're guessing about, well, did it actually start? Do I have to take my helmet cam off and look at it? So that's kind of a cool thing. All right, so I'm just going to tap the one in front now, and it switches over to camera mode. I touch it again, and now I can select and take a look at what I just shot, so that well, that's a good shot. I'm comfortable with that, so I can move on to my next shot. I tap it again, and it literally goes into 7 pages. There, that's a little better. 7 pages of items that you can use the buttons on the side here to scroll down, and you can I mean 7 pages worth of menu items. You can do so many different things with this. It's just incredible. So just pop on any one of these, and then you just hit the top button here to press OK, and you can change the settings. But it's pretty amazing, all the different things that it comes with and all the things that you can do. Switch between angles. I don't really like the fisheye look. I actually really hate that. So I wanted a camera that I could move it in or move it out. And sometimes I want to do time lapse. This does it beautifully. Or sometimes I want to do slow motion. This thing will capture 240 frames a second. Now the resolution is a little bit lower, but that's okay with me. It's still 720. So many different things that you can do with this. It's just quite a small, little, powerful camera. And I'm enjoying it quite a bit. It comes with a pretty thick book to tell you how it all works. It doesn't come with the mini chip in it, and it will take up to a 64 gig chip, and you can get those you can get them online, or I just bought mine on at Walmart, and it was under 20 bucks. So for an extra 20 bucks, all right, I paid about 75 bucks for the camera itself. Add 20 bucks to it, it's now 95. But that's still a whole lot less than what you'd pay for a GoPro. So I think that this camera is going to be a big item on the market here soon. Well, it is already on the market, but I think it's going to be giving GoPro a huge run for its money. Of course, this being a fairly inexpensive item, and it comes with a lot of accessories, which is really, really cool. I'm very pleased with this camera, and I look forward to using it quite a bit in my upcoming videos. Well, I've fiddled with the camera just a little bit more now. It has actually quite a lot of features. Pretty amazing little camera, and the price is right. Well, I decided to take the camera out of the waterproof case because it seemed like the audio quality wasn't as good. Well, it is sealed up inside of a box, so it's probably not going to be so good. So this is what the audio sounds like outside of the case. And again, if you like this video, please go ahead and support this channel by giving me a thumbs up. If you really love it, then put a comment or subscribe or even ring the bell. That would be so much appreciated. We're trying to build this channel, and can't do it without your support. So I appreciate that, and until next time, God bless and be safe. Well, this is the Selfie stick that I just purchased. It is from Wissiroon, Wissiroon, and it was 19 bucks on Amazon. And of course, it has the Wi-Fi remote here, and it just flicks on by a little switch on the side, and you could either start video or take a picture. And of course, this thing is telescoping, and this is for my iPhone, or you can screw a regular phone into there. It works just fine. And it also comes with this tripod, which is aluminum. Seems to be fairly stout. It's got a nice grip, and so far so good. You know, it connects to my iPhone beautifully, and I am pretty happy with it. So anyway, I'll show you some video that I've shot with this selfie stick, and anyway, that is my review of it. I'll give it at least, for the price, I mean, heck, it's at least 3.5 stars, if not 4 stars for the price. Selfie stick, you know, you can get way up high. Hey up there. Start to look all the way around. Now my selfie stick, it comes with a tripod, so I can set it up just about anywhere, remove the remote control, and Wi-Fi when I want it to turn on or off, and also take pictures. A lot of people like reviews on YouTube for some reason. You know, maybe it's because they're tired of getting ripped off buying garbage. And here's the selfie stick extended, and of course this base will unscrew, come right off of there. But man, it works great as a little tripod, holds everything up. And you know what, for me not being sponsored by anybody on YouTube except myself, you kind of have to get stuff that's it's in your price range. So under 20 bucks, man, I just don't think that you can beat it. It's really nice.